In this short video, I'll explain how to set up AI optimization. Let's take the logCL2 strategy as an example. I've selected slow sessions and a fast feed, and also changed the label to make it clearer to me during the setup of this optimization. I'll click Apply Changes and open the Instruments and Orders tab. As an example, let's optimize the settings for the instrument XAUUSD. I'll remove the checkmarks from other instruments and create variations of settings for this pair. You see that I've made various settings for the most important parameters in arbitrage. Lot size, stop loss, min profit, pips for min profit, trailing distance, difference to open 1, and difference to open 2, which should be the same as the first difference to open. And this is why I consider the lot size to be an important parameter. Some brokers may change trading conditions when increasing the lot size, and of course it's advisable to make variations of the lot size around the amount you'll actually use in real trading. Next, I'll show what the strategy is called, and then I'll move to the AI optimization and click Add a combination. In the open window, I'll select the strategy from the list, the session, and the pair that will be optimized. In the broker tag field, I can write the name that completely matches the name of my broker and his server. So if somebody else has already optimized this pair for this broker and this server, then the results will be used for my optimization. In the same way, my results will also be available to other clients of BGF Trading Group. If I don't want to participate in the collective optimization, I can specify any word or phrase in this field. Doesn't matter which one. You need to enable AI optimization by checking the checkbox here and clicking Accept below. The indicator next to each optimized pair can display the following colors. If the indicator is 100% red, you have enough iterations to apply AI analysis, but the result set is not generated yet. 100% green means that the result set's already generated and there are no new iterations for the analysis. And 100% blue means that the result set is generated and you have added some more iterations for the analysis, but with not yet calculated result set. After setting up these settings, you'll need to run the strategy so that the AI optimizer can collect the necessary number of orders to optimize the parameters. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe.